Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add your name to your lock screen on your iOS device. So in order for you to do this, you have to firstly scroll down to your control center. Then on your control center, you'll click on focus and click on add new focus. So when you click on the new focus option, you click on custom. Then when you click on custom, you input the name you like to use. So you can add an emoji of your choice also depending on what you want to use. So after adding an emoji, you can also change the type of icon that is there, and after you click on next and customize focus. So after this, you just have to go to your home screen and go back to your control and activate this focus. So when you activate it, anytime you go on your lock screen, you should find your name on your lock screen. So that's just how I can easily do this, guys. If you find it very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.